Mulder here, and today we're talking about trannies. No, not that kind of tranny. Don't be trying to get me in trouble. I'm talking about transmissions on your car, and specifically whether or not you should change the fluid on them. Now, some of you have said you've seen on the internet where you shouldn't change your fluid, and I say that's wrong. So if you say that, you drop and give me 20, and then drop and give me another 20, because that's about all you're going to get out of your transmission. Let me ask you a serious question here. Does your transmission work best when it's brand new and full of clean fluid, or after 100,000 miles of abuse and no changes? If you think it's better after 100,000 miles, I want to see that transmission. It's real simple. Change your fluid at least every year. Better even still if you can change out the filter too. That's what these things are meant for. They're meant to have clean fluid. That's how they shift good. Now yes, if you have never changed your fluid and you got over 100,000 miles, then you might not want to change it. I can't really say for sure. I'm just saying, if it's that far abused, you're probably going to need a new transmission one way or another. That's all I have to say. Now drop and give me another 20. And give me a like too. Oh yeah, the General likes having a drain plug. Makes it a lot easier and cleaner.